Hello everyone! Right now we are going to tackle about the media and information resources. But first, let us know the learning objectives of this lesson. Number 1, compare and contrast potential sources of media and information. Number 2, explain and recognize distinct use of different information sources. And number 3, give the importance of indigenous media and information through spider design. And lastly, explain 3 types of media and information resources. But first, let us know what is media and information resources. Media and information resources are the communication tools or channels used to store information or data. They can be physical items such as DVDs, CDs, music scores, and newspapers. Or they can be online resources such as a streaming service, podcast, screencast, online videos, news apps, and of course, social media. Now, let us know what is the sources of information in media and information resources. It is libraries, indigenous media, internet. Now, let's define what is library. A library is a place which literary, musical, artistic, or references materials such as books, manuscripts, recordings, or films are kept for use but not for sale. There are 4 major types of libraries. This is academic library, public library, school library, and special library. Now, we are going to define what is the academic library. Academic library is a library that is attached to a higher education institution such as a college or a university. Number 2, public library. Public library is a library that is accessible by the general public and is generally funded from the public sources, such as taxes. It is a democratic institution that provides free access to information and resources, regardless of an individual's social economic status. Number 3, the school library. A school library, also known as school media center, is a library within a school where students, staffs, and often parents of a public or private schools have access to a variety of resources. Number 3 is a special library. A special library is a library that is focused on the specific subject area, caters to a specific audience, and provides specialized resources and services tailored to the needs of that audience. Example, it could include libraries in a company, a law firm, or a museum. Now, let's proceed to the next topic.
Good afternoon everyone. So today we are going to be discussing about indigenous media. So do you guys have any idea about indigenous media? So in that case, we are going to be discussing about indigenous media. So indigenous media can reference film, video, music, digital arts, and sound produced and created by and for indigenous people. It refers to the use of communication tools, pathways, and outlets by indigenous people for their own political and cultural purposes. Another thing is indigenous knowledge. It is a knowledge that is unique and specific culture of society. Most often, it is not written down. Indigenous communication is the transmission of information through local channels or forums. It means by which the culture is preserved and handed down by on our next slide, we are going to be discussing about indigenous media. It may be defined as forms of media expression, conceptualized, produced, and circulated by indigenous people around the globe as vehicles for our communication. So, as stated here on the PowerPoint presentation, there are a lot of forms of indigenous media. We have here folk or traditional media, gatherings and social organizations, direct observations, record in which there is written, carved, oral. And the last one would be oral instructions. And that will be all for our indigenous media.
mobile computer network and product avail of information and communication capabilities and consisting of internet and coordinate network using internet communities and productors. Kung walang pong internet, hindi po tayo makapag-Facebook. Tapos hindi po tayo makapag-YouTube, Twitter, hindi po tayo makanood ng mga video game, event information poured on the internet, authoritative and policing body, according and availability for things. This to consent and collaborating information, capability, authority, while authority, timeline, reliability of information, and information is this to be available. Reliability if the can be received in ability after refer to the interesting of the reliability of information. Quality of information. Accuracy related to the closeness of the report to the accurate data, measurement of accuracy, while determination on the type of information being evaluated. Probability is similar to the accrual data. Financial probability are correct. Voids information this is needs to be of avail if it is the using in making for information decision. Authority of the using what with using or public information this the uses credibility timeline reliability accuracy and availability of information may be based on the time it was product or accurate. It may become irrelevant and inaccurate with the passing of time. This making it less available after information may be timeless provide to be the sum in probability accuracy of and void true graph and restore.
Skills in determining the reliability of information. There are 4 types of skills in determining the reliability of information. There are check the author, check the date of publication or of update, check the citation, and check the domain or owner of the site or page. Next is skills in determining accurate information. There are 3 types of skills in determining accurate information. There are look for facts, cross-reference without other sources for consistency, determine the reason for writing and publishing the information.